So, you've taken the plunge and decided to invest your hard-earned money with Wealthsimple. Good for you. Investing is a smart move for your financial future. But now, you're wondering, how long until I can actually get my hands on that money again? Let's dive in. First off, it's important to understand that Wealthsimple isn't a traditional bank. It's an investment platform designed to help you grow your money over time. That means there's a slight difference in how withdrawals work compared to a regular bank account. Understanding withdrawal times. Generally, there are two main types of accounts you might have with Wealthsimple: a cash account and an investment account. Cash account, think of this as your regular bank account. Money in here is readily accessible. You can usually withdraw funds to your linked bank account within 1 to 3 business days. It's pretty straightforward. Investment account, this is where things get a bit more complex. When you invest, your money is used to purchase securities like stocks, bonds, or ETFs. These investments can fluctuate in value. To withdraw money from an investment account, you'll need to sell a portion of your holdings. The role of market conditions. Here's where things can get interesting. The time it takes to convert your investments into cash depends on a few factors. Market liquidity. Some investments are more liquid than others. This means they can be easily bought and sold. Stocks, for example, are generally quite liquid. You can usually sell them and convert the proceeds to cash relatively quickly. On the other hand, some investments like real estate investment trusts, REITs, or certain bonds might take longer to sell. Market conditions. If the market is volatile or there's low trading volume, it might take longer to sell your investments. Think of it like trying to sell a house during a housing market crash. It's going to take longer to find a buyer. Wealthsimple's processing time. Once you place a sell order, Wealthsimple needs time to process it. This usually takes a few business days. So, how long will it take? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. It depends on the factors we just discussed. But to give you a general idea, you can expect to wait anywhere from a few days to several weeks. Important considerations. Withdrawal fees. Be aware that Wealthsimple might charge a fee for withdrawals, especially if you're withdrawing a large amount or withdrawing frequently. Tax implications. Selling investments can trigger capital gains taxes. It's essential to understand the tax implications of your withdrawals. Emergency fund. It's generally recommended to have an emergency fund in a high-interest savings account for unexpected expenses. This way, you have quick access to cash without having to sell investments. Tips for faster withdrawals. Choose liquid investments. If you need quick access to your money, consider investing in more liquid assets like stocks or ETFs. Diversify your portfolio. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can help reduce your exposure to market volatility. Plan ahead. If you anticipate needing to withdraw funds in the future, plan accordingly. Wealthsimple's customer support. If you have specific questions about your account or withdrawal process, Wealthsimple's customer support is there to help. They can provide you with accurate and up-to-date information. While withdrawing funds from Wealthsimple isn't as immediate as a traditional bank account, it's still a relatively straightforward process. Understanding the factors that affect withdrawal times can help you plan your finances effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.